everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year greetings to each and every one of you. Today we are preparing a very simple Nigerian chicken curry sauce, something that you're going to definitely love. To my bowl, I have added exactly 1600 grams of chicken thighs which have been deboned. Next, I will include spices of choice. On the screen, I have written out the names of spices I'm using. For the chief ingredients, I'll add 2 tablespoons of curry powder, add a little bit of oil, mix everything to combine properly, and then set aside. Mixing process is done, we are going to proceed to the frying step. To my pot, I will add a little bit of oil to that and then begin to introduce the chicken right inside it. Here we are going to just try our best to brown it a little bit, and this step should take place between 3 to 5 minutes on medium settings. Once completed, you set the chickens off and then continue the same process until every one of them is completely fried. The reason for frying the chicken is just to help it to, become a little bit crisp in the mouth and give it some texture, so that during the time you're eating the sauce is going to, taste exceptionally different and delicious. To the same pot, I will introduce some onions, fry that for at least 2 minutes. At the same time, I'll add garlic minced and also some chili peppers, ginger, and all the rest of them. Mix it very well, and next I'm going to introduce some little fresh basil and parsley. This is going to help to elevate the flavor. Toast that for at least 1 to 2 minutes extra. And 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. This is very, very important. We're going to toast that for at least 2 minutes. Bring in the fried chicken. Guys, look at how delicious and beautiful that looks. Next, add little quantity of water just to top up the chicken a little bit. You can use smaller water quantity or much more. It all depends on you. There are no rules and regulations. Cover the pot and cook until it boils very well. Exactly what you want the color and appearance to look like. Guys, the aroma zooming here is so beautiful. I will introduce salt to taste. Next, add carrots and also some mushrooms. Okay, so after mixing that, I'll cover the pot now and cook that for at least 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes or thereabouts. 2 minutes later, and guys, this pot is boiling exactly how I want it to be. Next, I'll add different colors of bell peppers, the yellow, red, and green. Some cornstarch, which is going to be our thickener for this recipe. You can also use corn flour or all-purpose flour or any of the thickeners of your choice. Mix everything to incorporate very well. This is the consistency I am going for. Mind you, when this thing gets cold, it's going to thicken once more. I'll garnish with a little bit of fresh parsley. Mix, combine, and guys, taste for flavor. Add whatever you want to add, and trust me, this recipe is done. I mean, completely done. So simple to put together, and in 10 to 15 minutes you're going to serve your family with a delicious, sumptuous meal. You're going to pair with white boiled rice or pasta or anything that tickles your fancy, and that's all about it. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you try this recipe, don't forget to send me pictures on Instagram, Facebook. Follow me on those platforms. Let's make this channel a delightful one. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Variety is the spice of life. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and love. God bless you. Bye for now. Thank you.